the sunset goes, the stories of our town forever told. It's the original memory, the soul of the island. Span Hin, where the sea meets the island. Now the rhythm changes to a steady pace, jogging by the shore, a smile on every face. Walking through the mangroves, hear the birds sing on the wooden bridge where memories cling. This is where the city breathes, deep and slow. Watching the tides and the green